This is a review of the Freenove Ultimate Starter Kit for Raspberry Pi. Purchased this on Amazon and it's just arrived today. So first impressions, very impressed. A nice solid, good quality plastic box, and it's fully shrink wrapped. So first impressions, excellent, because normally these sort of Chinese kits just arrive in a simple poly bag, but this is great. So let's get it open and see what's inside. Okay, so let's open up the box and see what we get. Two good strong clips on the front. And, ooh, nice. So on the top we have a little welcome thank you card, the usual stuff. Please give us a 5-star rating. Any problems, contact us. On the back, importantly, this kit apparently comes with 401 PDFs of projects. So there's information to download that information, so we'll look at that a bit later. On the top we have a 4x4 membrane keypad, standard connector. We have a little small but useful resistor color code chart. We have an LCD with module. We have what looks like a photo sensor of some sort. Bag of components. Looks like a humidity sensor, some electrolytic capacitors, and tactile switches. Diodes, LEDs, another little bag of components, looks like LEDs, tactile switches, possibly transistors, voltage regulators, light dependent resistor. We have a battery clip for 2 AA batteries, pre-fitted with a nice little connector, female DuPont connector. We have a little servo motor with accessories. We have a ultrasonic detector, a little toggle control. That's interesting. We'll have fun playing with that. We have what looks like, probably this is a stepper motor, and this will be the speed controller board. So that's those. We have 1, 2, 3 potentiometers, a 10K, another 10K, 3 10K pots. We have a ribbon cable, I'm guessing, which will attach to the GPIO extension board, which we'll see a bit later in the bottom there. So that's that. We have some male pin headers, some female header pins, and have a look at the main board itself. There's some components stuck in it for ease of transportation, I suppose, protect them. So on the main 830 breadboard, if I can get that out, we have, as I've said, we have the Raspberry Pi GPIO extension board, which is a breakout board for use with the cable. We have a relay, an active buzzer, 2 passive buzzers, an LED bar indicator, a single LED, I forgot what they're called, sorry. Digit module, I forget the name, sorry. Some chips, I can't make those out without my magnifying glass. We have a dot matrix LED, a 4-digit LCD display, a little board, I can't make it out without looking at it on the microscope, sorry, no, magnifying glass. We have a little power supply for the breadboard itself. Looks like it's got some bent pins there, but that's easy enough to sort out. If you look carefully, we can see 2 bent pins. Okay. They're obviously the spare dividers for the box. We have a set of male-to-male jump wires, breadboard wires. We have a nice little motor. Can't see the voltage on it, but it's pre-fitted with breadboard pins, which is great. We have a bunch of cables, breadboard, jump wires, male to female and female to female. We have a battery PP3 clip to a power socket. Little pack of resistors. And 1, 2, 3 of these Chinese copper matrix board. Not very fond of these personally, but they're included in the kit. So overall, as you can see, a very comprehensive kit. Great if you're just starting at electronics. You've got the breadboard and lots of things to play with it. So first impressions, very impressed. Well worth the money. And as I say, a great starter kit for anybody wanting to start electronics and just wants to tinker. You've got everything you need here to make basic projects. And once we have a look at these PDFs, we should have 401 projects we can try with this kit. So overall, thumbs up, brilliant. Hi, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like to see more, please click the video over here. Also, why not subscribe to our channel? We release videos 3 times a week on subjects about electronics, making things, building things, just having a good time in the workshop. So why not click the button below and subscribe? Thank you.